I love it talaga as a blush because you know, it's so easy to blend. Ay, parang si Soak ang nag-iwan ng tint. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Illuminating side, Prism. Hi guys! So bare face muna tayo guys because today's video I am going to swatch. As promised, the Spotlight Cosmetics Hydra Tints. But wait, there's more because I also have itong Spotlight Cosmetics Prism Glow Illuminating Primer and the No Pores Blurring Primer. So meron tayong dalawang primer na aking isa side-by-side comparison. At sabi nila, this is perfect talaga for summer and actually perfect para sa weather dito sa Philippines kahit na, you know, tapos na ang summer. Palagi namang summer dito unless it's monsoon or rainy season na. Pero mamaya na yun, unahin muna natin itong Hydra Tint and I have all 5 shades. So ang chika is, meron daw itong glycerine that draws moisture to the skin and lips. Meron ding 4 times hyaluronic acid na nagdadala ng intense hydration and youthful radiance. As of now, ang price niya, ang original price niya is $395. Pero sa Shopee ngayon, $336. Oh my God, sa Lazada, this is just going to be $265 sa 6/6 sales. So, add to cart na, mga day. By the way guys, nung una ko ito nakita sa Shopee at sa Lazada, I do believe may nakita akong salitang multi-use. So, meaning you can use this on your lips or on your cheeks. Let's try to do that. Kaya wala pa akong nilagay sa face ko at all. Just my skincare na, which is kanina pa, mga 30 minutes ago. So when you order a Hydra Tint, it comes in a box like this with all the information needed. And then ito yung mismo packaging ng product. Acrylic plastic. And then metallic shiny shimmering handle with a slim doe foot applicator. And you know me guys, I like to swatch shades based on the color family. Lightest to darkest. Yung mga ganong anik-anik. So the first shade I'm going to swatch is called Drops. So this is Drops. Swatch of my hand. And it is a peachy, light peachy corally shade. Honestly, super lightweight no Hydra Tint. Para kang naglagay lang talaga na watery, a little bit slippery, pero walang kalagit-lagit. Parang wala kang nilagay sa lips mo. And this one, etong Drops, is just like a natural, you know, peachy corally shade. And you know what? Okay to as a blush. Parang dun sa video ko ng Spotlight Cushion, Dewy Cushion, nasabi ko na I love this as a blush. Kasi nga, ang ganda niya as a blush. As in, parang siyang natural flushed mo lang talaga. So yeah, this is Drops. By the way guys, hindi siya yung tipong dumidikit or nagiiwan ng parang stain. Kasi madali ko naman siyang natanggal sa labi ko. As in ito, namumula na yung lips ko, kakaganon ko. Pero I'm not seeing any tint na. That's kind of nice. I mean, in this particular situation, dahil marami pa ako isa-swatch na shades. Next shade that we have is called Drench. And this is Drench Compared Guide Drops. Kung ito, light peachy corally. Etong si Drench ay burnt orange. So, it is way deeper than Drops. I love it talaga as a blush because, you know, it's so easy to blend. So, obvious naman, Drench is way deeper than Drops. At ito yung parang classic, typical lip tint shade. So, yeah, this is Drench. Next shade I'm going to swatch is called Soak. And this is Soak swatch at the back of my hand. Well, compared kay Drench at kay Drops, Soak is on the red family na. So, let's try it on my lips muna. And honestly, compared kay Drench, which is also a deep shade, mas brighter kumpara kay Drench. Si Drench kasi parang siyang reddish pero brownish. Ito talagang solid red with a little bit of pink. Alam mo yung ganun. So I like Soak better than Drench, to be completely honest. Pero syempre, depende yon sa skin tone mo and sa undertone mo, kung bagay ba sa'yo yung more on orangey side or more on reddish side. But yeah, this is Soak. Ay, parang si Soak ang nag-iwan ng tint, lalo na sa middle part. Next shade I'm going to swatch you guys is called Flow. And, sorry. This is Flow, swatch the back of my hand. It's this one. So, kung si Soak ay reddish, as in solid red, si Flow ay red with pink na talaga. Like, papunta na siya sa magenta, parang ganon. Pero like, light magenta lang. If that makes sense. So, this is Flow on my lips and on my cheeks, you guys. And honestly, as a blush, marami dyan na parang magiging magkakamukha lang. Pero etong si Flow, kumpara kay Soak, it is much deeper. Pero hindi katulad ni Drench na parang orange-brown. Ito ay red and pink. At yun nga, gaya na sabi ko kanina, papunta na sa parang magenta-ish. Papunta pa lang. Kasi yung last shade natin, yung talaga medyo ka-family ng magenta. Kung ako papipilian flow or soak, I still would go for soak. Kasi parang kanina, ang bright ng facial features ko. Kasi nga, ang bright ng soak. Pero eto, dahil deeper siya, or parang muted. Yun. So parang medyo mas madilim. Nagigets niyo ba? But yeah, this is Flow. And last but definitely not the least shade is called Dewy. So ito si Dewy, swatch at the back of my hand. And ito siya kumpara sa other shades. Kitang-kita nyo naman, it's like the deepest vampy shade. Let's try it on my lips. Alright guys, so this is Dewy on my lips, and no need for further explanation, it is the deepest shade sa collection. Like on some skin tones, aangat yung pagka-deep red niya, pero on some skin tones, aangat yung purpley undertone, magenta-ish. Honestly, as a blush, medyo hawigan lang siya ni Soap at ni Flow, pero magkakatalo talaga sa lips because it's really way deeper. I can see the difference in person, but yeah, this is Dewy. Okay, so, let me remove this first. Mamaya magre-reply ako ng mga favorites ko. But I wanna try the primers first. Kasi yung isa is illuminating and then yung isa is blurring. So, ito yung two primers that I was talking about. Unahin muna natin itong No Pores Blurring Primer. So, ang promise is it smoothens your skin and blurs out your pores. Keep skin smooth, improve fine lines and wrinkles, and soothe skin. I'm so sorry about this. Wala na, nag-stain na siya sa kamay ko. I think ang pinaka-powerful talaga is the last shade, yung Dewy. So, this is what the blurring primer looks like. This is 25 grams. Tingnan natin yung consistency niya. Looks like this. Para siyang semi-silicone feel. Pero hindi siya katulad nung yung sa Maybelline na Baby Soft. Something yung color blue. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-silicone. Parang siyang 50% lotion, 50% silicone. So, I'm going to apply this on the right side of my face. Oh, it's so soft and smooth. I like how it feels, you guys. Okay, so tingnan nyo. Ito yung may primer. Ito yung wala. Next is the Prism Glow Illuminating Primer. Dito ako pinaka-excited because you know me, guys. I love me some illumination. So, this is what it looks like. This one is 26 grams. 25 grams, 26 grams. Tingnan natin ang consistency. Oh, this one is different. Ito talaga straight up lotion. Like, lotion. It's slippery and it's a malabnaw type of... Are you seeing what I'm seeing? This is the blurring side and this is the illuminating side. Prism. It is so nice. Like, eto na yan. Pwede na yan. I can go with my day with this. I can't get over it. I mean, in person, obvious yung difference nila. This one is really like soft and smooth and matte. And this one is like para kang galing sa derma, para kang bagong facial. Anyway, okay, I'm just going to get yung spotlight cushion para tingnan natin ano yung magiging effect niya. Now, using a different sponge, I'm going to apply na on the left side of my face kung nasaan ang Prism Glow Illuminating Primer. Okay guys, so eto na siya. Honestly sa camera, parang wala akong nakikitang difference. Is it because of the foundation? Kasi this is straight up, you know, a dewy cushion. So yung finish niya talaga is like dewy. Pero in person, doon ko nakikita yung difference. Well, obviously, in person, this is more dewy compared to this side. Pero maganda yung naging lapat ng cushion compared dun sa walang primer, na parang skin ko lang talaga. Hindi naman kasi ako ma-primer, to be completely honest. Ang inaasahan ko lang talagang skin prep is my skincare routine and a sunblock. The only times na I use primer is kapag ka-events yung pupuntahan ko. At ngayon pa lang, sasabihin ko na, based on my preference and on my lifestyle, I love itong Prism Glow Illuminating Primer na parang feeling ko kahit ito lang ang isuot ko, I'm good to go. Feeling ko nga isusuot ko to kahit wala akong pupuntahan because I really love the glow na binigay niya with or without the foundation. But I do recommend itong dalawang primer na to kasi maganda yung naging lapat ng cushion foundation. Yeah, mas ano talaga to, mas brighter and mas, you know, out there. Anyway, let me finish my entire face. By the way, you guys, I already used yung Dewy from my previous Spotlight Cosmetics video. So, nawertas ko na siya. And honestly, yung lasting power niya ay depende sa gaano ka-deep yung shade at kung gaano karami yung nilagay mo. Because pag kumain ka, mababawasan at mababawasan siya. 2-3 layers is already powerful enough, pero 1 layer lang, not so much. Pero saan mo pag kumain ka, mababawasan at mababawasan siya.
You got me tripping. Ever since I saw you, I went slipping. Didn't even
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Super clean, super fresh lang. Well, this is like a watery, a little bit jelly type of tint that eventually dries into matte naman. I loved it as a lip product at lalo na as a blush. As a blush, you guys, ang dali niyang i-blend, ang dali niyang i-spread. I honestly don't know if you can use it as a blush, pero kita niyo naman, personally, you can use it as a blush. In my opinion. At kita nyo naman, pwede rin gawing eyeshadow. But I loved it. I enjoyed using it, applying it. Magkakatalo lang tayo sa shades. Which one to get? Well, dun sa mga orange shade, kung gusto nyo lang ng subtle, go for drops. Pero kung gusto nyo ng intense orange, go for drench. Sa mga reds naman, I do love soap. Kasi ang bright niya. Ito kasing si Flo, it's red pero parang medyo madilim. Alam mo yun? So, I love soap so much. And of course, itong si Dewy it's like the deepest shade. Personal favorites ko yun. Yun yung parang mararecommend kong getchin ninyo. But again, it will all depend on your skin tone and on your preference. Ngayon, regular price niya na $395. It's quite, honestly, it's quite expensive. Pero dahil multi-use siya, mahal pa rin. Kaya, you take advantage of the sale, 6/6 sale. Kasi, magsisale to sa Spotlight Cosmetics. Nakita ko sa Lazada. I'm not sure kung meron ding sale sa Shopee. Parang naka 280 something. Oo, sa 6/6 sale. So, i-add to cart nyo na dahil. So, yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating very, very quick swatch. Please follow me sa Instagram and sa TikTok. I do upload very quick makeup videos there. So, links down below. And of course, mag-subscribe pa na sa channel ko. If you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, why? Because I have so much products to show you guys sa mga susunod na video. Next video natin is going to be another lip swatch. Hindi pa nire-release, i-release pa lang. So again, subscribe na to my channel and follow me on all my social media accounts. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!